some problems, right? But do you know how can we solve the problems? In my opinion, there are three ways to solve the problems. One, accept it. Two, change it. Three, leave it. I don't know which way will have solved the problems. Maybe some of your problems can solve through the accept it, or some of your problems can change yourself very easily, and some of your problems, if you just leave it, it will disappear. Even you don't know what happened to me. Generally, when you focus on problems, you get more problems, and you focus on possibilities, you get more opportunities. So don't focus too much on problems. Aware of your wisdom and thankful or grateful what you have, and go ahead. Something to do good things, right? Eventually you will get better and better. So be happy. Namo Buddha Dharma Sanghaya. Konjo Sumla Chaksalo.